welcome back to my channel at Chef Lisa. Tonight we're going to be cooking up one of my famous dishes. My husband and I went down to the beach and caught some beautiful Spanish mackerels. Oh my God, they were amazing to catch, but they're going to be more amazing to eat. We're going to cook them up tonight and I'm going to show you how. Tonight we're going to pair it up with some fresh cabbage. And then we're going to do one of my famous rices. So if you want to know what goes into that rice, stay tuned. So these are some of the ingredients you would need for my famous dishes tonight. Okay, so here we have some grapeseed oil. We have some Creole. We have some turmeric. We have some onion powder. We have garlic powder. We have some these are red smoked bell peppers. We have some parsley flakes. We have some pollo seasoning. We have some cilantro, and we have some minced garlic. Of course, we have some diced or sliced onions, some yellow bell pepper, and some fresh carrots, and a little bit of purple onions on the side. And of course, we have salt and pepper. And that's the seasons that you're gonna need. I hope you grab all the seasons. Let's get started. Okay guys, so these are the Spanish mackerels. We have marinated them for 24 hours, basically overnight. And in the ingredients here tonight, we have put in some Creole seasoning, a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of sazon, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic, and we have put in some black pepper. Oh my goodness, and we need to add in some Old Bay seasoning. Okay guys, so we're gonna add in a little bit of Old Bay, just a little, and we're gonna add in a little bit of curry. I say about a half a teaspoon, and we're gonna use it for later. And we're gonna add in just a few parsley flakes, and a little bit of garlic, minced or ground or powdered, whatever you prefer. This is just whatever I have on hand is how I do it. And a little bit of onion powder. So onion and garlic, a little bit of parsley, a little bit of Old Bay, and let's just go ahead and use a little bit of Creole. This is gonna be amazing. Let's get ready to cook. Okay guys, so what we did was we got a little bit of fresh thyme out of my garden. So we put a little bit of onions in. We're gonna drop in just a little bit of thyme to start seasoning up just a little bit. Season our grease just a little bit. It smells amazing. Okay. It's looking good. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do from here, we're gonna go ahead and start dropping in a little bit of our fish. And we're not gonna put too many in at one time because we want our grease to continue to fry, not boil. And a lot of times we make a mistake of putting too many pieces of fish or chicken or whatever in a pot, and what it does is starts to boil. And we don't want that. We want texture to our food. So I'll put let's just put another extra piece, or maybe two. Maybe two little smaller pieces in there. Look at that little baby. And that's it. Oh, it smells amazing, guys. So we're gonna let that just simmer. Oh my goodness. If you guys can smell it, it smells amazing. Okay, so we're getting ready to prepare the cabbage. I've turned the heat on medium, and we're getting ready to start and add in some grapeseed oil, just a bit, okay? And the first thing that we're gonna add into this dish will be some carrots. Listen to that sound. And while those carrots are getting started, we're gonna give them a quick stir. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in just a few of our yellow peppers. And there again, you might get a piece of cabbage or two in there when you're working. And we're going to go ahead and just pop in a little bit of onion as well. Okay. Ooh. This smells amazing, guys. I hope everyone is having a blessed evening. We're getting ready to dine in for tonight. And so, I decided to make you guys one of my famous dishes. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? Ooh-wee. So, what I like to do right here is I like to go ahead and add in just a pinch of salt. Of course, a pinch of pepper. Look at that, look at that. That's amazing. The aroma is out of this world. Okay, so you're going to stir this for about, I'd say about another 3 to 4 minutes. We'll let that just begin to cook those carrots. And then we're going to add in our cabbage. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get us another pan full. And what you do here, we're layering. This is what we're doing. I call it layering flavors. So now we're getting ready to add in our cabbage. And you can put as much cabbage as you like, much onion as you like. And don't worry about how much you put in, just put it all in there. Because when we get to tossing it, it's going to shrink down and it's going to be wonderful. Okay. So now, while that's sitting there, I'm going to add in just a little bit of turmeric. Just a little bit. Of course, the turmeric will change the color of your dish, but that's okay. I'm adding in now just a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder. I'm going to put in just a few flakes of parsley. And I'm going to put pollo. Just a little. Okay. So what we're going to do here now, we're going to give it a quick stir. So some people say, well, you need water. No, you don't. It's almost like a fried cabbage because all vegetables release their own juices. So that's what we want here. For this cabbage to release its own juices. Oh, this smells amazing. And while that's cooking, we're going to check on our fish and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we're checking on our fish. It's looking amazing. The beautiful colors coming in just like we wanted. Oh my God, the seasonings in here is amazing. Okay, so we're going to give this about 2 more minutes and we're going to be taking this out. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do here now we got this cabbage cooking just like we wanted. We'd like to have the cabbage with a little crunch, but we want to soften it just a little bit. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and cover it with a nice lid. And we're going to let that simmer for about, let's say 10 minutes or so. Be back. Okay, guys, so we're going to take out the first batch of our beautiful Spanish mackerel. These are amazing. They are beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'll put them here. You just drain them. You notice that we didn't put any batter on them because this is another way. We have about 3 or 4 ways that we can make this, but I thought this way would be perfect for you to see how you can do your fish and eliminate all that batter, flour, just doing it a little bit more healthier way, cooking it in some very good grapeseed oil, some high performance grapeseed oil, and it withstands heat really, really good. Okay, so look at that, isn't that beautiful? So now what we're gonna do is, in that same grease, we're gonna go ahead and drop in a few more. So now that we have all of our fish in the pot, we're getting ready to start on that famous rice. Let's get it. Okay guys, so let us take this cabbage off. We're gonna go ahead and just put this beautiful cabbage in a nice bowl here because we need to use this pan. I'm about to starch it a little bit. Oh wow. It's what you call it, almost like a fried cabbage. It's gonna be so good. Okay, and we're going to put a lid on that, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to be using the same pot that the cabbage came right out of. We're just going to throw a little bit of oil in there, and we're going to go ahead and throw a little bit of onions in there. We're going to turn up our heat back on to high just for a minute, and while that's getting ready, we're going to go ahead, sprinkle in just a little bit of pepper. We're now going to add in our cilantro, fresh garlic, a little bit of parsley, just a bit. Now we're going to add in those roasted peppers. We're going to finish that garlic off. Okay, so we're just going to roll that around in that pan just for a minute. It's not going to be there long. All right. You want to see my fire? There we go. I was like, what's going on here? Okay. So we're going to roll that around just for a minute. And now we've already prepared our rice. We have it pre-cooked, ready to go, because the only thing you need to do from here, once that starts cooking, can y'all see that? Just chop your onions up. Make it like a little roux in there. Oh yeah, you're picking up everything still from that pan. That's what's gonna make that rice just really, really good. Okay? Look at there, look at there. Can y'all smell that aroma? I know you can smell it. Okay, so next, we have our rice prepared. And this is the rice with the black beans. This is jasmine rice with a little bit of the red bell pepper. You have some onions and garlic. So what we're going to do, give this one more quick stir, because we're trying to get those onions to cook down just a little bit, and those peppers. Look at that. It's amazing. That's going to be amazing. You're not going to be able to tell these people that's getting ready to eat this food tonight anything. I wish you guys were here. Let's go. So we're gonna go ahead and pour that rice right in there. Woo, that's hot. Yes, sir. I'm gonna give it a quick stir. See all those onions? Y'all smell that flavor? Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh, well. Yeah, sometimes we lose a little bit. Okay. And guess what? We're going to let that sit for just a few minutes. And guess what, guys? It's ready. We'll be right back. We're getting ready to plate this meal. Look-a here, look-a here. The fish is amazing. It's ready. Look, it's moist. Look at there. it falls off the bone. So now we're gonna take this fish, we're gonna pair it with some of my famous rice and cabbage. Guys, this dish is getting ready to be amazing. Stay tuned. So the rice is done. And guys, we're gonna plate this meal. This is how we plate it, professionally plate. We pop it right there, okay? And then we're gonna take our cabbage and we're gonna bring in some beautiful cabbage right there. Oh, yes. Eat as much as you want. It's yours. You can do what you want to do with it. Now, we're gonna get us a beautiful piece of that fish. Maybe a couple nice pieces. Oh, the time wants to go there. That's okay. And what you can do at this point, you can take and you can drizzle just a little bit of lemon on the top. Oh my God. And if you like bread or sauce or jalapenos, whatever you like from this point, it's yours. You can do what you want to do with it. That's amazing. I'm glad you tuned in for Ask Chef Lisa on today for our special ingredients. Look at this rice. It's amazing. We have black beans, cilantro. We have the cabbage. We have the fish. This is our fresh caught Spanish mackerel, fresh from the ocean. I hope you've enjoyed this. And don't forget about your basil tea with some lemon. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button when you want to be notified that Chef Lisa is on. Happy cooking.